Top 5 of the most spoken languages in the world. Today, over 7,100 languages are spoken around the world. Every one of them contributes to the world's diversity and beauty. Unfortunately, some of these languages are less common than others. The language Busuu is spoken by only 8 people. Others are spoken by large populations in various countries and are frequently popular among language learners. Number 1. English. English has a total of 1.132 billion speakers. 379 million people are native speakers and 753 million are non-native speakers. English, like Latin or Greek at the time, is today's universal language. It is the standard language in international business, tourism, technology, and many other fields. A bilingual person who speaks both Spanish and English can understand 1 out of every 3 people who connect to the internet. Furthermore, he or she has access to more than 60% of everything published on the internet. Number 2. Chinese. Chinese has a total of 1.117 billion speakers. 918 million people are native speakers and 199 million are non-native speakers. With both native and non-native speakers, Mandarin is the world's second most widely spoken language. However, if only native speakers are considered, it is the first. Mandarin is not actually a language, but a set of dialects of the Chinese language. What unites these dialects under the same name is that their speakers can communicate with one another. Surprisingly, while 20% of internet users speak Chinese, only slightly more than 1% of web content is in the Chinese language. Number 3. Hindi. Hindi has a total of 615 million speakers. 341 million people are native speakers and 274 million are non-native speakers. Hindi, along with English, is one of the 22 official languages of India, the world's second most populous country. The region's linguistic diversity, with over 1,600 languages coexisting, explains the high proportion of non-native speakers who use it as a lingua franca. Number 4. Spanish. Spanish has a total of 534 million speakers. 460 million people are native speakers and 74 million are non-native speakers. In terms of native speakers, Spanish is the second most widely spoken language in the world. Furthermore, it is the most widely spoken Romance language and the third most commonly used on the internet. Its massive colonial expansion brought it not only to America, but also to Africa and Asia. Because of migration, the United States has the world's second largest population of Spanish speakers. Number 5. French. French has a total of 280 million speakers. 77 million people are native speakers and 203 million are non-native speakers. Colonialism allowed French to spread all over the world. It is now the official language of 29 countries across 5 continents. If English is the business language, French is the cultural language. Its enormous importance is reflected in the fact that it is the third most spoken language by non-native speakers. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.